Hello, come on in. Just a heads up, of course my vacation is already over, but I thought I show you like my little hotel room, and I didn't want to like show you something I didn't like, so that's why I'm doing it like after I had the vacation. So of course everything would be cleaned if it would be like my first day, but it's actually my last day, so I hope you don't mind. I'm giving you a little room tour because it's like so nice, and yeah, you should totally see this. Maybe come to Austria if you're if you're in the European region close by. So yeah, I'm starting actually with the bathroom. Nice little sliding door. I mean, it's nothing too fancy, but this is a pretty shower. I got a little shower at home, so this is probably peak luxury for me. Like pretty big, pretty fancy. You know, there's like the little toilet, which you can also like. You got this sliding door going on here. Like I like to play with it. Yeah, this is something, yeah, everybody knows. A sink, big mirror for all my vanity. I can get my makeup on, just going on here. A nice little kitchen. So this hotel has normal hotel rooms, like regular hotel rooms, but I chose apartment style room because I always need to have like a fridge and a kitchen, because sometimes I like to prepare my food if I'm feeling like all fancy, yeah, I actually can't have a breakfast, a buffet style, because I absolutely escalate, and this is like something I need to work on, I know. So I'm choosing like a safe way to eat, like where I can prepare my food by myself and just eat normal size stuff. So yeah, I actually like this very much. Hello, what are you doing in my fridge? Of course, I got it because I need my coffee, or maybe 2 or 3 a day in the morning just to wake up. That's nice. I like to have that as well. I mean, some hotel rooms have that too. So, but yeah, this is actually like pretty nice little coffee machine. Yeah, you got like a microwave, which is cool, like a little stove. This is just random stuff, but yeah, it's nice to have several items to prepare food with. Yeah, just some plates, stuff, and yeah, you can cook. Like, I didn't lie. Yeah, this is just a little for your clothes. Pretty cool for me, because I tend to get messy on vacation, so you can just throw stuff in, not on the floor. Yeah, just for your information, this hotel has a nice little sauna, swimming pool area where you can relax, so you get your own bathrobe, and you get that in this cool bag, so you can just walk to the area and get naked and stuff. Yeah, this one's actually nice too, because it's pretty helpful to have a little workspace, work area. So if I'm feeling fancy and I'm choosing to work on my vacation, I'm needing something like this just for work. And you have like a little nice, how do you call this, living room. Yeah, you get a nice little living room with a TV and tables, and yeah, it's actually quite nice to just hang out, which brings me to the next station. This one's like probably my favorite. This one's actually like the nicest thing because you have like this big rooftop area thingy. You overlook the city. And for me, it's, even though I'm living close to the mountains and I can see the little lake. It's different for my eyes to see it, like it's much bigger, on a bigger scale. And also this balcony is much bigger than mine, so yeah, this is like pretty impressive. I really love this. So now, last room. Yeah, you know, I already explained, I used this bed already, so it's not as nicely made as like the crew prepares them. So it's, yeah, you got your little space here to hang up your clothes, which I didn't this time. I just lived out of my luggage. The bed is actually, it's very comfy. I could sleep very well. Yeah, TV, which I didn't use because everyone with a smartphone knows you just don't watch TV anymore most of the time. All in all, it was an amazing stay. You can totally get breakfast here. All in all, totally amazing hotel room, totally wonderful experience all in all. Yeah, maybe if you like this, give me a like and maybe comment like how you like to travel. Maybe you're more of the camping guy or girl. Maybe you like to travel fancy. Maybe you're the hostel. Someone who chooses hostels or Airbnbs. I don't know. Tell me, I'm interested, and yeah, that's it. Bye bye. I forget something that's important. Like, we have a dishwasher which isn't used yet.